Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of running out of ice at your summer barbecues, road trips, or backyard parties, you're definitely not alone. That's why today, we're diving into the world of portable countertop ice makers that make fresh bullet-shaped ice in just 6 minutes. We've got 4 top models from brands like EUHOMY, Silonn, and more, all perfect for your home, kitchen, RV, or camping trip. Whether you're hosting a party, chilling by the pool, or living the van life, these ice machines are game changers. So stick around until the end to find out which one makes the most ice, cleans itself automatically, and fits perfectly on your countertop without taking up space. Let's kick things off with the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. The powerhouse of this list. This sleek black machine can produce up to 34 pounds of ice per day, making it one of the highest capacity units here. It comes with a convenient carry handle and a removable top cover, and even includes an ice basket and scoop for easy storage and serving. What really sets this apart is its auto cleaning mode, which takes the hassle out of maintenance, no more scrubbing the inside manually. And the best part? You get fresh ice nuggets in just 6 minutes. Whether you're stocking your cooler or preparing for guests, this machine keeps you covered. Next up is another great option from EUHOMY. But this time in a slightly smaller capacity. This model produces 26 pounds of ice per day, still plenty for most households or weekend getaways. Like its bigger sibling, it also delivers 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in under 6 minutes. It features a self-cleaning function, a portable design with a handle, and includes both an ice basket and scoop. This is a fantastic choice if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to move around, whether it's between rooms in your house or loading into your RV or camper. Now let's talk about the Sillon Countertop Ice Maker. A strong contender in the budget-friendly category. Don't let the lower price fool you. This machine punches well above its weight class. It also gives you 9 bullet-style ice cubes every 6 minutes, with a daily output of up to 26 pounds. The Silonn model is ideal for those who want a no-frills, reliable ice maker that still offers key features like portability, self-cleaning, and included accessories like the basket and scoop. Plus, it's super quiet and energy efficient, perfect for apartments or small kitchens. So how do these models stack up against each other? Let's break it down. EUHOMY High Output Model. Best for large families, frequent entertainers, or commercial use at home. With 34 pounds day, it's the most powerful. EUHOMY Standard Model. A solid middle ground, still fast, still reliable, but a bit lighter and easier to store. Silonn Ice Maker. Great value for everyday use. Affordable, efficient, and still packed with features like auto clean and portability. So there you have it. Our top picks for the best portable countertop ice makers in 2025. Whether you're throwing a party, going on a camping trip, or just want fresh ice on demand at home, these machines deliver convenience, speed, and quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another gadget review or life hack. Got a favorite model? Or maybe you own one of these already? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos on kitchen gadgets, outdoor essentials, and smart home tools. And remember, staying cool shouldn't be a hassle. Catch you next time, stay chill, and keep those drinks icy cold.